In a world of digital footprints, keeping your financial life private has become more critical than ever, so let's dive into how Revolut can be a strong ally in your anonymity journey. First, understand the basics of what Revolut itself is. It's a digital banking alternative, offering a variety of features. However, its key for privacy lies within how you use it. Start by considering how you fund your account. Directly linking your primary bank account immediately ties your identity to your Revolut activity. Instead, when possible, explore funding your Revolut account from another source, like a different digital platform, or utilize services that enable you to pay with crypto. This creates a buffer. Next, consider your spending habits. Using Revolut for small, everyday transactions helps to minimize the digital breadcrumbs you leave behind. Try splitting transactions as much as possible among your cards. This can help you keep your anonymity. Revolut offers virtual cards. This is a fantastic feature. Generate a new virtual card for each online purchase, or even for subscriptions. If one card is compromised, your primary account remains safe. Generate the virtual card on the app and immediately spend the money. Finally, be mindful of your personal details. Revolut requests information during account creation and usage. When possible, be mindful of what you share and review their data management policies. Every step, from funding to spending, should be approached with privacy in mind. By combining these strategies, you can leverage Revolut's features to significantly enhance your financial privacy. Remember to always prioritize your online security habits.